In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email address associated with your Dropbox account. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth transition to your new email. To get started, you'll first need to head over to the Dropbox website at www.dropbox.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your current email address and password. If you're automatically signed in, that's great. You're all set to move forward. Now, locate your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. It's where all your account management tools are conveniently located. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. This page is organized into several categories, such as General, Security, and Apps. For our purpose today, ensure you are on the General tab, which is usually the default selection when you enter the settings page. With the General tab open, look for the section titled Email. This is where your current email address is displayed. Next to this, on the right side, you'll see an Edit option. Click on Edit to initiate the email changing process. A form will appear prompting you to enter your new email address. Carefully type in your new email, making sure there are no typos or errors. It's important that the email address you enter is one you currently have access to, as you'll be receiving a confirmation email there shortly. Below the field for the new email address, you'll notice another field where you're asked to enter your Dropbox password. This step is crucial for security purposes, ensuring that you are authorized to make changes to the account. Once you've filled in both fields, go ahead and click on Update Email. At this point, Dropbox will send a confirmation message to your new email address. To complete the change, navigate to your new email inbox and look for an email from Dropbox. It should arrive within a few minutes, so if it doesn't appear right away, consider checking your spam or junk folders just in case. Inside the email, Dropbox will provide you with a verification link. This step validates your new email address, so be sure to click on the verification link as the final step. By doing so, you'll confirm the change, and your Dropbox account will seamlessly update to use the new email address. Congratulations! Your Dropbox account email has now officially been changed. Make sure to use your new email address the next time you need to log into your Dropbox account. If you have any further questions or encounter difficulties, Dropbox's support resources are always available to help.